Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how we fry or roast groundnuts with garri. I'm not using salt, I'm not using gas, I'm using garri to fry it. It's very easy and it will come out very clean. So like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Subscribe. See you in my next video. Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to do our peanuts. We are going to fry peanuts with garri, using garri to fry the peanuts to roast it. So in today's video I'm showing you how you can use garri to fry or roast your peanuts. Some people use salt, some use sand to fry it, but in today's video I'm showing you how you can use garri. A little quantity of garri can make it for you. See you in my next video. Thank you. So after setting my charcoal stove, I'm going to place my pot on fire on it. That's it. And that is the little quantity of garri that I'm adding to do the roasting. So I will allow the garri to fry, to heat first. To fry first. It's not hot. So when it is hot, you cannot put your hand in it. So when it is hot, I'll now pour or add my groundnuts, my peanuts into the pot. So I'll keep on turning the garri to make sure that it is fried. I'll taste it again. So that is how I'm going to do until it is fried. I'll now add the peanuts. So as I was saying, you keep on turning and check here. The garri now is fried enough for you to add the peanut. So I'm going to add it. After adding it, I'll keep on turning it until it is well fried.